Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here to run through the trade with you on this 20th day of February 2026. And here's the trade that happened in the U.S. closed live trading room today. Setup is this. We've had major failure up at this point up here. And then we get our friend, the strong candle indicator, the upside down triangle pointing down and colored red saying take this trade short down towards the bottom of the screen. So that's what we're going to do. So we look over here at the PVI. We expect the next candle to be around 100 ticks in length. So we'll pair that with our ATM and we'll go for 20s, 50s, and 100. De-risk the trade after 20 and then have two runners. So that's what we're going to do. We'll go ahead and put a cover order on as we do most of the time, especially when we have small wicks or tails. And if we get hit, cover order gets hit, we can use the current candle for our stop. So here's how it all went down in the room today. We'll just go regular speed till we get picked up, make sure all of our targets get set. And then once we get picked up in the trade, well, we did get hit, so give ourselves a little bit more room. And then we'll just go ahead and speed it up and show you what the result was. Taking a little longer to get going than we had thought, but here we go. All right, well, we de-risk the trade as soon as our first target gets hit. So we have no risk left. And then, so 20s and 50s are out, and it runs pretty fast. I don't think we get everything on the first candle, but it did run very, very nicely. Again, we're running 4 times speed right now. We just need our last target to get hit. And that's what we'll wait for. So each candle is 5 minutes long. We're going 4 minutes at this point. You see it's been pretty active today. Lots of up and down. And lots of big candles. So here we go. We'll end the first 5 minute candle. No reason to get out of the trade. Just let it keep going. Could speed it up faster, I guess, but 4 times is enough for right now. There we go. Now it's making its move down. Lovely. And here we go. Come on now. I know you paid. There we go. All right. That's all we needed. That trade lasted 8.5 minutes and was worth 960 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 960 US dollars in 8.5 minutes, come and join us in the live trading room at SamuraiDayTrading.com. That's SamuraiDayTrading.com. The only place you're going to find the strong candle indicator, which certainly makes it a lot easier to trade safely. So until next time, we'll see you then. God bless you and see you next time.